for full course that I attended. Thank
Your
you very much.
classmate and
Thank you
classmate.
very much. Thank you for that. You make me have more confidence to do my cleaning job in future. Thank you very much.
From here, way back 2018,
This is my dream already, and I'm not, I'm very flattered today, and I'm very, very happy with this course, and I learned a lot. I met them, hello, Team Indonesia, okay? Our very gorgeous Team Canada, Team Singapore, and Team Malaysia, okay, and Team Mahiyaya. Thank you so much to Miss Kay, and thank you so much, sir. It's very flattering, and looking forward to see you in Cebu.
I learned a lot.
What is? What about?
I'm so interested.
Don't charot us.
Thank you so much and for the assistant.
Are you happy that you joined me?
Yeah, I look like a nurse.
Maingay.
Yeah, and hope to see you soon as well.
Mhm.
Maybe in your country, guys.
Yeah. We go to Singapore, huh?
Okay.
We don't.
She looks so shy. She's like, no, look at it. Okay, I love this course. Not only I learned about cleaning, I also get to know all these beautiful ladies.
Are you happy?
So happy, yeah. Different.
Yeah.
And then I learned so much. And it's funny one, beautiful one, one quiet one.
So happy I came. Honestly, I was like, I didn't know if I was gonna come or not, but I'm so happy because I met all of you guys. You guys are so sweet. And then, like, even you're so nice. You don't talk much, but.
More than expected, I would say.
More than expected, you're late.
Because I prepared the bags. So yeah, I'm very happy to be here. It was confused at the beginning whether I should attend or not because my bags all in Indonesia, and I'm just not sure whether I will get benefit out of it. But actually, I'm very happy, and then I got to see the girls. It's very international, made from all different countries, and
Do the networking thing.
yeah, and also can sell my bags.
She's already paid.
Yeah. It's a very good networking, so I'm very, very happy, and I hope I can see you guys again in Cebu.
Exactly.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You are very, very nice.
Yeah.